Hey everyone, so in this video we will understand in a Toyota hybrid vehicle how to put the vehicle on maintenance mode. Now let us understand why the maintenance mode is required. So basically in a hybrid vehicle, whenever you start the vehicle, maximum time it will start on electric only or it will start on motor only. So just in case if you want to do the PUC, if you want to get the pollution under control certificate, so in that case to switch on the engine is very important, so that whenever the engine is on, the emission can be gauged and measured, and accordingly a pollution control certificate can be issued to the vehicle. But in case of hybrid, the vehicle starts on motor, and in that particular case you will not be able to measure the emission. So how to switch on only the engine, especially while doing the PUC or any other maintenance work, let us understand. So first you need to put the vehicle on ignition mode by pressing this switch for 2 times. Once you press it twice, you have to tap the accelerator or you have to press the accelerator 2 times. After pressing accelerator, you need to press the brake, then put the vehicle on neutral. After putting the vehicle on neutral, you have to again tap the accelerator or press the accelerator for the 2 times. Again you have to press the brake and shift the vehicle to parking. Once you put the vehicle at the parking over here, again you have to press the accelerator for the 2 times. And once you press it for the 2 times, you can now see on a welfare that it is showing the maintenance mode is on. Now what you can do, you can press the brake and switch on the vehicle. So in this case, once you switch on the vehicle will now run only on engine, and hence you can get the emission units and you can do the PUC or you can get the pollution under control certificate of the vehicle. In this case it is showing 2-wheel drive, as it is electronic 4-wheel drive. In this particular mode, the vehicle will be running only on the front 2 wheels which run on the engine. So hope the video is very clear. Just in case if you have any query, please comment, I will answer the same. Now how to turn off this maintenance mode and how to get back to hybrid. You have to do nothing but to switch off the vehicle and you can switch it on again. Now next time when you switch it on, it will be starting on your hybrid mode. Hope it is very clear. Thank you so much.